Mangoes are low-calorie fruits that are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals, as they can be combined with different fruits in order to have a rich, refreshing taste. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to prepare a healthy watermelon mango smoothie alongside with its health benefits. So to make this smoothie, I'll be transferring some watermelon cubes into the blender. You can choose to remove the seeds, but I decided to leave it simply because it's packed with lots of nutrients. Next, I'll be transferring some mango chunks into the blender. Whenever you want to make this smoothie, it's very important to use a ripe mango in order to achieve a rich sweet taste. For easy blending, I'll be adding little water to it, but you can choose to use a dairy product like milk or yogurt. So just cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. This fruit combination is rich in vitamins, mineral, potassium, dietary fiber, antioxidant properties as they help to keep the skin glowing and prevent wrinkles. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties which helps to boost the overall immunity of the body. They help to keep the body hydrated at all times. They also help to ease constipation and support the health of some vital organs in the body. There are other health benefits of consuming this smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, our healthy watermelon mango smoothie is pretty much ready. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.